Hello children, Mrs. Hall here, and it's time for our first lesson of the last week of this half term. It's nearly the half term holidays, so you deserve a break. You've worked so hard. Okay, so we're going to start our phonics lesson with our grapheme flashcards. We've got quite a lot now, so I think we're going to whiz through these today. Okay, I'll say them with you today, and then tomorrow maybe you'll do them on your own. Are you ready? G, t, n, m, r, s, e, d, o, I, and P. Very good. Well done if you know all of those by now. Okay, now normally next we would do the tricky word cards. The ones that are our red keyword cards are our easier ones, so we're going to do those first and then we're going to play a bit of a game with the next lot. Okay, so let's start with this one. What does it say? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I. Well done if you got that one right. Okay, next one, have a good look. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Well done, guys. Okay, now don't forget to have a look what it begins with to remind yourself. What's this one? 1, 2, 3, 2. Well done. Okay, have a look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done. And the last one. 1, 2, 3. No. Fantastic. Let's just remind ourselves of those. So we've got I, a, 2, go, and no. Now the next lot of trickier flashcards I've put on the wall behind me. Okay, and what we're going to do is have a bit of a treasure hunt. We're going to see if we can find the words. I've stuck them around my kitchen and I'm going to see if I can match the tricky words to the ones on the wall. First of all, I'm going to go through them for you. So we've got and, in, at, is, it, and the. Right, I'm going to whiz off and find one in my kitchen. Here we go. Here's the first one. It's stuck on a post-it note. Here it is. Now I'm going to match it. Which one is the same? Here it is. And the word is the. Fantastic. There we go. Right, I'm going to go off this way. Find one. It's hiding in a bucket. Have a look at this one. Okay, let's match it. Is it the same as this one? Ooh, which one? This one, I think. And the word is at. I'm going to stick it on there. Okay, right, this way again this time. Oh, here we go. I found this word. Have a good look. See which one is the same as that one. I think it's this one, isn't it? Begins with the a. It's and. I'm going to match it. There we go, stick it on. Right, I'm going to go this way again. Here we go. Stuck on my computer. Have a good look at it. Which one is the same? I think it's this one. Okay, and the word is. Okay. Off I go this way. Here we are. Oh, I'm worn out already. Have a look. Well done. And I'm going to match it. There's only 2 left. Which one is the same? They're very similar. They both begin with an I, but I think it's this one. In. There we go. Let's match it. Oh, done a bit wibbly wobbly. There we go. And my last one. Whoo! Here it is. On my post-it note, have a good look. Okay, I'm going to match it to this one, the only one left. And the word is it. Okay, there we go. So we've got and, in, at, is, it and the. Well, why don't you have a try and see if you can have a go at home. Your mummy or daddy or your helper can help you write the words on a post-it note and hide them around the kitchen, and then you can try and match them, okay? Right, a new phoneme and grapheme today. First of all, I'm going to show you my flashcard. You might know this one already, or you might not. This is our new phoneme and grapheme, okay? That's what it looks like. And the phoneme is okay, it's just like a breath of fresh air. Okay, so here it is. We're going to have a little look at our pictures, all right? And, oh, do you know what? We forgot to do our song. Shall we do our song first, actually? Let me bring my laptop round. Before we look at the pictures, we'll do our song. Here we go. Right. Okay, so the song was I like to hop, 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 up and down. Okay, let's see if you can join in. And the boy gets really tired when he's hopping all the time and he says, so let's try and see if you can sing along with me. Whoops, here we go. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Very good. If you joined in with that one, well done. Why don't you see if you can hop around and see if it makes you go when you're out of breath, okay? Because hop begins with our new phoneme. Okay, let's have a look at these pictures that I've got for you today then. I've got this one first. Tell me what it is. After 3, 1, 2, 3, hat. Well done. Who's got their woolly hats out at the moment in this wintry weather? I bet we all have. Hat. Okay, let's have a look at the next picture. Here it is. After 3, 1, 2, 3, hand. Very good if you got that one right. Okay, oh, a furry creature coming up. Here we go, have a look at that one. What is it? It's not a mouse, it's not a rat. It begins with a 1, 2, 3. Hamster. Hamster. I wonder how many of you have got a hamster at home as a pet. Okay, next picture coming up. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, hammer. Well done if you got that one. Oh, here's a good one. Have a look at that. Does it look like yours? 1, 2, 3, house. And one more, here we go. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, helicopter. Right. Let's just remind ourselves of those pictures and then I'm going to choose 3 for my song. We've got hat, hand, hamster, hammer, house and helicopter. All begin with right, I'm going to find 3 to put on my board for our song. Let me see. I'm going to have that one, and that one, and that one. Okay, let's see which ones I've chosen. Which ones do you think it is? Okay, I've got hammer, hat, and hamster. Hammer, hat and hamster. Shall we try and fit them into our song? Are you ready? Ham, a hat and hamster, hamster, hamster. Ham, a hat and hamster, say very good. Right, can you join in this time? Are you ready? Ham, a hat and hamster, hamster, hamster. Ham, a hat and hamster, say they all begin with a phoneme. Right, next job, we need to have a look at our Handwriting Heroes animation and see how we write the letter, how it is formed. So, let me find it first. Here we are. My computer round. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. All right, now the name of this letter is H, okay? So it might say that in our song.
H drops down, bounces back up, and over the haunted house.
Wow, that was a good one, wasn't it? There's a haunted house, ghosts in this one. So the H drops down, bounces back up, and jumps over the haunted house. Are you ready? Here we go.
H drops down, bounces back up, and over the haunted house.
There we are, and can you see that it's one of our tall letters? It's a letter with an ascender. That means it goes high in the air. Okay, we have a go with our finger first of all right? So put your finger on your nose, put your finger on your shoulder, on your tummy, on your nose again, and in the air. Are you ready to make a grapheme? It goes down, bounces back up, and jumps over the haunted house. And we usually put a little flick on the end of ours, don't we? Let's try one more time with our finger. It goes down, bounces back up, and over the haunted house. Shall we try it with our favourite, with our tongue? Did you manage to do that at home? Okay, I've got here to practice my letter. I've got a plate of rice, not cooked rice, it's some dry rice, so I hope I can tip it up without it sliding. Whoop, it's a bit wibbly wobbly. I'm going to try on here, so I'm going to go whoop, down, bounce back up, and over the haunted house. Oh, it's not very clear, is it? I'm going to try one more time. Ready? Down, bounce back up, and over the haunted house. I think I've spilt a bit more than I've made my letter in. Why don't you have a go at home? It might be better to use flour or something like that. Last week we used tomato ketchup, didn't we? Okay, I'll have a go on my whiteboard. There's my whiteboard. You might have a whiteboard at home, or you can use a pen and paper and have a go at writing it with me. Okay, it goes down, bounces halfway back up, and over the haunted house. Okay, let's try one more time. Down, halfway up, and over. And then we do put a little flick on them at school, don't we, to get ready for joining our handwriting. One more time. Down, halfway back up, and over the haunted house. And flick. There we go. There's our grapheme. Now it's your turn. Why don't you have a little go at home? See if you can impress your parents or your helpers with, and try and find some objects around your house. See if you can do that. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.